In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your OPPO F21 Pro 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Microsoft browser. Instead of browser, you can also type in Edge, but it will show up no matter. Now I have it installed, let's just uninstall it. It's right here, Microsoft Edge web browser. Click install. Now after installation process is complete, we can open our app. Here you can sign in order to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. You can enable to share your data preferences. I'm gonna disable it and move. From here you can also set Microsoft Edge as your default browser, but if you don't want it, click not now. I'm gonna do it. Here select Edge, set as default, and now we have fully working browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.